Welcome to Fournier's Cola, a premier tasting cola especially designed for mixed drinks while easily purchased online. Fournier's Cola isn't just any other cola. Our soft drink is made specifically to mix with alcoholic beverages. Our big idea to promote the brand is going to be based off the phrase, bartender's secret. Our goal for this promotion is to make our target customer think this brand is exclusive and made for special occasions. This concept can be easily used with YouTube videos, TV commercials, and any other kind of paid advertising. We would like to showcase one main bartender to associate a face with the brand, and this will be great for using pillar content. The target audience for Fournier's Cola is going to be focused towards middle-aged people, mostly men. We are targeting someone who enjoys socially drinking and making mixed drinks, and we're focusing on people in middle to upper class. We really want the people we target to enjoy exclusivity, considering our brand is focused on that. We have three main goals as a brand after running our big idea. The first one would be increase online sales. The second one would be increase brand awareness. And lastly, build a larger audience. Our KPIs for these goals all involve measuring new sales, measuring referral traffic, and first-time buyers. We think this will be effective after the strategy, and it'll give us a good idea on how we're moving towards our goals. Our social media strategy has similar objectives. We want to generate online sales through social media and develop brand awareness through it too. We are going to focus on three main social medias for our content, and that is LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. Facebook has the largest audience available out of all the platforms, and they have the best tools for targeting an audience. We will be focusing on them the most. LinkedIn will be used to target bar owners and restaurant owners and keep our business professional and with updates. And YouTube will be specifically used for our how-to videos. Now on to our paid advertising strategy. Like I said earlier, we are going to take advantage of Facebook because of how large and effective their ads are. And we are also going to be using Google's SEO. For our search engine optimization, we chose not competitive keywords that weren't too pricey, really specific, that's going to produce a lot of value to the brand without wasted clicks. We are going to target the same audience I mentioned earlier, but to be more specific, we're going to be targeting men over 30 years old that make over $50,000 a year, that enjoy drinking socially, and maybe have their own personal bar. Now on to inbound strategy. My target audience loves to get creative, yet simple with mixed drinks. They enjoy learning new drinks to make. How-to videos would simultaneously engage the viewer and discreetly show Fourniers in action. Some keywords I would like to use for my search engine optimization would be mixed drinks, rum and cola, buy cola online, etc. I've also developed a content offer idea. The download the reader will receive, if clicked on, will be a coupon. It will say, get 10% off when providing your email address on your first purchase. This will encourage the target customer to go through with a purchase while also building our email list. Here are some examples of sample content for our advertisements. Concept number one would be a video used for Facebook. It will be based on our bartender's secret idea, and it will be a short clip of a bartender reaching off the top shelf and grabbing a bottle of Fournier's Cola. The customer will look impressed on the exclusivity of the cola, and the bartender explains he purchased it online at fournierscola.com. Concept number two will be a still image, and it will just have a bottle of Fournier's Cola next to a glass of whiskey on a countertop. The ad will have our slogan written on it and no other writing. It'll be classy and professional. It can be used on all platforms. Concept 3 will be a comparison video. We will ask real people to taste our drink compared to other colas and give their honest opinion. We will take clips from the session and produce an advertisement from it. This type of advertising is very common in the food and drink industry. Here's our campaign budget breakdown. Our budget will consist of 5 main sections. 40% of our budget is going to go towards the actual platforms to sponsor our ads, like Facebook. 20% of our budget will go creating the content for the advertisement, 10% for the software and subscriptions, 20% to go towards managing employees working on this campaign. And lastly, 10% to go towards paying a spokesperson influencer to be associated with the brand. And that is the idea of Fournier's Cola. Thank you for listening.